My OneLaser XRF has finally arrived. I ordered this in early December, and 4 months later in April, it finally showed up at my door. The delivery was on a pallet with this in a box, and I also had the riser. Separately, I got the Pyburn, which is the rotary tool, shipped to me months ago, which really got me excited, but I'm so glad it's finally here. I'm going to go through the unboxing, the setup, and do a test run with y'all. Let's see what's in here. Out of this bag came several useful things. USB to USB cable, USB to the, I don't know what this port is called, but it plugs into the back of the machine. Ethernet cable, the power cord. I believe this is the test cut strip that they used to make sure it was all dialed in. Some zip ties for your cables, the Allen keys, lens cleaning kit with the swab, and a set of fuses. A little bag that says laser spot mode. I guess we'll figure out what that means. Here's a key. And it does come with its own exhaust fan, which connects to the back, and a 4-inch exhaust flexible ducting with one hose clamp. So taking a peek in the unit now, the gantry moves very smoothly. The bed is fixed to the bottom, and looks like there's some sort of detection module. I don't know. We'll figure that out as we go. Coming into the back of the system now, I see a port for the PC, camera, Ethernet, an air assist opening plug, power. Here's the plug for the power, an exhaust fan, and then here is where the exhaust port would go. With those tiny blades removed, this is the power cord for your fan. The back of this has really tiny screws, and there's some foam gasket. So as long as you get it hand tight, you should have a proper seal. The final steps for the back is to install your cable for the PC, the camera, your power cable, and then you need to undo the emergency stop, and you can turn on your device. Here it is, the machine firing up for the first time. You can see that the control module is still coming up online. Okay, next you need to go to Lightburn. Click on devices, add device, and then make sure you're connected with the USBs onto your computer. Click next, it should scan, and it should find that device. There it is. It'll come with a COM and a serial option. Click on the serial option. Go through those instructions, set up that laser. Once you get here, make sure you click and select that laser and make default. This is the noise with the machine on. All of that noise is actually the fan in the back. Before I run my first test cut, I'm going to make this official and peel the protective cover off this bad boy. The origin for this machine is in the top left corner here. Make sure you put it in the right position, otherwise if you do a cut, it'll be weirdly imaged. Here's my test piece. It's just a small block of plywood. I'm going to use the laser controls here to move it above my piece. If I hit the center button, it sets the origin. When I hit this button, it'll find the Z for me. Now I'm ready to do my first cut. Okay, all done. You can see a lot of smoke built up, but that extraction fan works pretty well. That pump you hear going, I believe is the air assist. That is my logo. I can play around with the settings, but this cuts super fast. I can't wait to do some test cuts for engraving, and I will also post a video showing you the upgrade from this default exhaust fan to the inline fan.